Hi guys, it is day 27 for the amount of time I have been making videos. So the number of days I have been YouTubing and creating videos. Sorry, I'm kind of out of breath right now. So I don't know if you can see that, it's backwards, but day 27. So my goal is to get 3 to 4 videos out each week. I'm going to be creating content pertaining to various different things. Let me know in the comments below what you guys would like for me to see from me. I can just vlog just like I am doing today. Today I'm going to give you a tour of my room. I'll start here and then we can go from there. But yeah, so just leave a comment below and let me know what you would like to see. So just to kind of show you around my room, this is what it looks like. It's very small. I bought these on Amazon, these lights, and I bought the double-sided sticky tape from Lowe's, I believe, to kind of attach it to the wall. It seemed to work really well when I first purchased it, but it seems like it peels off. So as you can tell, throughout my room, it has come off from the walls. Disregard my bed. I know it's a mess. It's a total mess. But see how it's coming off from the walls? There's like one last single attachment left in that corner, and it's probably gonna come down any day now. So I'll show you how they work. I'm gonna turn off the lights, and you guys can kind of get a look at it. All right, here we go. I have to actually plug it in. Sorry, I just had fried chicken, and every time I eat something heavy, I always get my throat always gets congested. Can you hear it? That's from eating fried chicken. And every time I ate it like an hour ago, and I have to clear out my throat every time. It's so bad. And I'm so out of shape. I mean, I know I'm kind of rambling today, but I am so out of shape. So this is what they look like. Isn't that cool? So I was thinking about redesigning my room and kind of fixing things up, primarily because I work from home and I work 8 hours a day from home, and so this is my primary work area. So I kind of wanted to spice it up a little bit. Spice it up. So that's what it looks like, and it has different settings on it. So let me show you how they look. So this one's kind of cool. Look. Oh, very neat. And there's that one. Awesome! This is too much actually. This would give me a headache. I haven't used this one. This one's really nice. It turns off. They turn off and then they turn back on. And then there's this one. I wouldn't use that one either. This one is where they stay on. So we can keep them on just like this. Cool, right? So if you're interested in buying these, I don't know what they're called, lights, setup, I don't know. I mean, you wouldn't call them Christmas lights. I forgot what they were called. But check them out on Amazon. Or actually, I'm wrong. I did not get them on Amazon. What am I saying? I actually got them on wish.com is where I got them. And they were kind of pricey. You can probably get them a lot cheaper on Amazon if you have points accumulated. Still so out of breath. So weird. Yeah, so yeah, let me show you my setup. So this is my setup. So ghetto, right? So I work from here. That is air conditioning. That's an AC system. I work from that laptop. And that's my whiteboard with all the important information. And yeah, I mean, I work here, I sleep here, I I do all my editing on that computer too for like all my YouTube videos. But yeah, and then here's my closet. That's what it looks like. It's a total mess right now. It's like a really nice, cute little walk-in closet. I'm not into buying like the latest trends for clothing. So a lot of this stuff is just like bargain material. Like I'll go to Marshalls or Ross to buy a lot of the stuff. I'm not about buying like, you know, Gucci or Louis Vuitton. I mean, no way. I mean, who can afford that kind of stuff? And like with a lot of the brands, like if you really look into it, it's the name that sells. Like they market the name, and they sell it. So I'm so totally against that. I mean, clothing like can be cute and cheap. Like you shouldn't have to spend a fortune on that kind of stuff. But yeah, this is my room. You can see like I have all my comforters up here that I don't use. Like in the winter, I'll like replace it out with this one. Just because, you know, I'll get over what I have now and it's like a lot thicker. So it's not suitable for like 90 degrees weather is what we get here in California. So, but yeah, see, isn't that nice? And so yeah, this is how my room typically looks. I'm here 8 hours a day, and there's my bed. That room leads out of the room. That door leads out of the room, and that's my closet. Let me show you the view outside of my window. We have like so many like wildfires throughout California. So it's really smoky outside and it looks really bad. Yeah, I think I live close to where the car fire was. So I mean, like just the other day, like it was a little windy, and there were like, I think there were ashes, is what they're called. Like there were ashes flying through the air, and like all the cars were covered in ash. It was like so weird, and like people are not walking as often. Like I went for a walk a couple days ago with my dad, and it was so hard like to be out there and breathe and walk. It was just really bad. So here, let me show you. I don't know if that's clear for you guys, but if you can see like the sun, I don't think you can see the sun. It's so bad. Let's see. See that? Like that's a full sun. There should be like a full bright sun. The fact that you can see that sun just means that, you know, and just from like the color. See that? See the color of the sun? That's because of like the cloud, like the smoky overcast. Like the sunlight should not be this color. It should be bright yellow. So yeah, it's like smoky out there. It's almost like it's like cloudy and there's an overcast and a little bit of fog, but that's all nasty smoke. So that's it, guys. That's all I have for you today. As always, like I know I'm still building on my YouTube channel. I don't really know where to focus my attention. I know I had said I do mukbangs, but I'm really struggling with like my weight right now, and I'm trying to like lose like close to 50 pounds. You can probably see my second chin. See that? Yeah, it's so bad. So I'm trying to lose about 50 pounds. So I don't think I'm gonna do a mukbang. I try to stay away from fast food chains. Maybe in the future, like if I can reach my goal, I'll do one, but not anytime soon. But anything else that you guys would like for me to do? I'm not really good at doing skits, like those Indian skits, like you guys have seen, like Wonder Woman, the very famous Lily Singh. She does really good little skits of like her family and like how typical Indian families are, and she does a really good job playing her mom and her dad. I couldn't do that. Like I don't have the courage to do that. Maybe like in the future. And then I also came across a new, I think she does the same thing. She's not so much of a vlogger, Well, I have seen a couple of vlogs from her. Her name is Simi Singh, and I am such a huge fan of hers too. She's good. Um, but yeah, like, I mean, she's good. So check her out too, guys. And then another one of my favorite YouTubers is, she does mostly mukbangs. I've seen a couple of vlogs, but she is so, like, she's just so good. Like she was my number one inspiration. Like, I'll be honest, like, she's younger than me, but she's just really good. Her name is Steph. What's her name? Steph Pappas. I think Pappas. I don't know how to pronounce her last name. I'm sorry, but yeah, check out her videos. Like, she does mukbangs, and they're so good and like really hard to resist. So yeah, that's all, guys. Let me know next time what you want. I can do like a tour of my house where I live, and then we can even do like where I live, and that's it. All right, have a great evening.